as your host in this podcast,
And I'm Novia Kusumasari as your host in this podcast. So, in this time, we are going to discuss an interesting and sensitive topic, early marriage. So, this topic is open debate between those who support and those who oppose marriage.
well, for that, we have invited three guest stars in this podcast, and they are teenagers from Universitas Indonesia Madura. So, before we ask their perspective about early marriage, we want to they introduce first from the first guest.
Hi everyone, my name is Astrid Janati. This year I'm 10 years old and I'm from MD Study Group.
Okay, nice to know.
Hello, Astrid.
Okay, for the next, please introduce yourself.
Hello everyone, my name is Vina Rahayu and I'm 20 years old. I'm a student in Universitas Indonesia Madura and I think I'm married in this program.
Okay, hello, Miss Vina. How are you?
I'm fine.
Okay, and the last guest star.
Hello everyone, my name is Shannon Ganesagiratiatokan and I'm 19 years old and I'm from the study program at Universitas Indonesia Madura.
Okay, nice to meet you, Sinta. Okay, today we will discuss about topic marriage. So we have some questions and we will ask for you guys. So for the first question is, how do social aspirations and cultural pressures influence the decision of early marriage? So what
Maybe for the first guest star first.
I think early marriage is often seen as a way to create social stability and to build the behavior among the teenagers. Not only that, in some societies, early marriage is considered a way to put the economic burden on the family, especially if the daughters are considered a burden. That's my opinion.
so you grow from this topic as early marriage.
Yes.
Okay, for the next questions.
So, how can they make a strong relationship and sense of belonging with their family with each other?
I think the extended the family and the neighbors often some support from young couples and they help them to build a life together.
So, do you agree that many people support about early marriage?
Yes.
So, in your environment, support the early marriage?
Yes.
Yes. Oh, many people around you have early marriage. Is it?
Yeah, especially my neighbors.
Oh, neighbors. But how about you? You done early marriage till now. You student of Universitas Indonesia. Is it right?
Yes.
So how about you? You haven't married.
I don't think so about early marriage because I think about my career.
Oh, do you still want to reach your career? But you believe that early marriage is good, it's not bad.
Yeah, I think early marriage is not too bad in my environment because that has positive things from early marriage.
Okay.
Okay, so for the next question, for the next guest, so I have some question for you. So how can early marriage prevent young women to chase her dream and careers?
As far as I know, in my environment, their daughter is not continuing her education. Like when they are graduation from high school or even when they want to continue to study in college, many of their parents are not allowing them to continue their study. So the woman in the marriage is like they are not have the chance to chase for trade and career. Even though they are working, they're not continuing their work. Because, for example, my cousin, who is recently married, she was have a job that teaching kids in elementary school, but her husband preferred her to work again. So, like, her husband told her to stop working and just let him to work instead of her.
Okay, so from your perspective, is early marriage is have impact for their careers, their
Yeah, yes. I'm sure that impact on their life, especially in education and their career. Not all of them though. Some of people also like support their partner to continue their study or their career, but most of them, like most people that I know in my environment, prevent the woman to study alone. Like they think it's better that the man in the marriage who is working instead of the woman.
okay. So for the next questions,
What are the potential financial risks of early marriage, such as unemployment and unexpected costs? About you?
That's really for me. I ever think about this question. I'm worried about my cousin because just the man who is work, right? Like I think I'm worried about his job. If he is not have enough salary for the life, for the next life in marriage, how can they survive? Like they can into that or anything. It's a worrying problem in the early marriage.
So, do you think that early marriage can make their relationship between each other? It can make them to how to manage their money and how can they manage their salary to person to yes.
Yeah, they have to be able to manage their salary, their income, especially their mental is not really stable like me. Yeah, because I think the mentality for early marriage is not stable enough. Like you are not prepared enough for the marriage in early age, and your work is like I think if it's okay if your work is already have a stable income, but if you are not have enough income, it will be worrying to live in the marriage.
So it can make the problem in their
Yes.
relationship.
Yes, right. It will be economic problem in the marriage.
So do you think that early marriage is not too good or
It's not too good.
because they will have many problems?
Yeah. There are so much risks if you are married in an early age because you are not mentally prepared, like not prepared enough, and you have to find a stable job.
okay. And for the last question, for the question is, how is your perspective that young people who is in early marriage can handle their emotions when they have the overcome some problem in their household?
I think the nature emotion to tend more volatile and changeable. They have not yet fully developed their ability to control their emotional. And in the context of marriage, in this unstable emotion can lead So recurring conflict that are difficult to resolve.
Okay, so this early marriage from the teenager is they have stabilization emotional, so you will agree for this early marriage for the teenager.
Yes. Also, they have not enough age to learn about any situation from like memory and reading.
Okay, so for the next questions.
So how about you? The impact of social and cultural expectation on our marriage.
Um, I think restriction of choice. Women are often forced to choose between early marriage or pursuing an education careers, and makes physically pressure. Social pressure to marry young can cause stress, anxiety, and every depression.
So do you have environment early marriage or not? In your environment, in your around you?
My neighbors see yeah, for 2 years ago. See, many people around me respectively she not have good to marriage because she not healthy and the disability is so bad and she always not always but she starts study for me about early marriage is not good. I don't need it, but it's
So your neighbor have early marriage and she always tell you about their relationship with their family and not with me. She have problem.
yes always a problem because as you know finish emotional with partner or couple.
Okay. And then has she still can make their family and their relationship with their couple is better or is still not better?
Many problem they
Till now.
until now yeah.
So from your house, daughter, this story.
My no my
Oh,
yeah
not
my
like
friends
your friends or your friends story you don't disagree about early marriage.
yes I don't agree because you see
That they have they problem in economic or just in emotional?
yeah economic emotional um, yes
So many
so many problem.
And what the reason she choose to immigrate?
Communicate with the
Their parents.
parents when take others.
So how about your environment, in your environment about them, about your friends?
Mm,
That influence to your environment?
yeah,
Or they have how why their parents make them to early marriage?
because they have a baby.
Oh, before they
Before baby.
Oh,
So,
yeah.
yes.
Oh yes, I so it is not good, very not good. Yes, yes. Okay. Okay, they have what they want to share with you that it is not good.
Yeah.
Sharing their her problem in her family. So how do you think that it's not good? So
Okay, it's so interesting story. So for the next question is for all of you guys. So for the first question, and maybe one of you wanted to answer this question. For first the question is, what are the communication skills that are essential for a successful marriage, regardless of age?
My opinion is giving empathy by understanding each other's perspective and feeling that they feel. Not only that, can showing the appreciation about her or she.
So for the key is there must be communication and then can be
Appreciation.
appreciation. Okay. So for the next,
for the next question, how important are strong family and social support network in overcoming the challenge of early marriage? So for the
Provide advice and perspective on goals. And next, provide emotional and provide the support and modeling healthy relationship. And next helps internal and resolve internal and conflict.
so before we marry, we must prepare of support. We must have support
From family or friends.
because marriage is not good. I don't know. It's not good, but it be responsible. It's very responsible. Okay.
okay, for the next, how can young couples prioritize their mental health and seek support when needed?
They can communicate with their partner, especially because that is the important things. The most important thing, you have to discuss everything with your partner, because no matter how happy your problem is, you just only have your partner beside you, so you can support each other. You can share your thoughts or your anxiety of your overthinking and everything. So you can understand each other before you ask to your family. Because your family always support you like in your side. If the woman asks for her family support, the family is her family will support the woman instead of the man. Especially like that. Yeah, so you have to take everything into account. That's a different thing. But you can also ask your family if there is no, if they don't have a solution.
So from the UR's perspective, that element is not too bad because if you have a good communication, maybe it will be a main problem in your marriage, but it's not too bad, I think. So you must have a good communication, good support, and
Communication is important in any time. Communication is important. Yeah.
okay.
So maybe
Before we close this podcast, we want to thanks for you guys because you come in this podcast
and have shared your perspective about early marriage and how the bad impact and good impact of early marriage may be. Some people will say that it is not bad, but some people will say it is bad for the early marriage.
So I think it's enough for today's podcast and thank you